Hey guys, Basil and Will from Grayson Hobby, and today is a giveaway day. So if you saw our last video,
what was our last video?
What we did, the little cheapy little lipo bag and the toolkit, that was in preparation of today. So two reasons: A, we have just hit 10,000 subscribers, and thank you everybody who has subscribed. And two, Diatone just released a new quad. What's that quad, Bill?
The GTM530? I don't know the names of these things. They're all over the place.
Right. So that's why I asked him, because I didn't remember. So it's the GT530M plug and play. So that's going to be our giveaway. So how do you enter the giveaway? You have to like this video and comment below, and be sure to subscribe. Now we're going to do the video giveaway announcement will be in 2 weeks, which is going to be March 27th. Now again, this is going to be the GT530M plug and play.
Yeah, this is going to be a new, I got to test one of the prototypes. It's a fast, fun, flying, smooth quad.
So this is not a little prize here. So free shipping to the US, for 50 states and all the surrounding territories, I just want to call them that? Yeah. International. International folks, you have to pay your own shipping. It's up to you how you want to get it to you. So either UPS, FedEx, or SpaceX if you live on Mars. So again, free to the US. All right, since we're such an awesome company, Diatone, the manufacturer, is giving us the prize to give away. So Diatone is actually the sponsor. They're just using Grayson Hobby as the facilitator to offer this sponsorship award thing on our channel. And
basically, they're giving us the ability to give one away to you guys.
Yeah, so thank us for doing it, but then thank them as well for giving the prize. Anything else you want to add to it? You have we had one version, right?
Yeah, I had the GTR530 with the flat waffle top.
Okay.
That one, it flew amazing. I mean, it's an awesome quad, but it's such a rough prototype, the one I got.
Yeah, so we got ours a couple of weeks ago. We haven't done a video on it because, well, we haven't done a video on it.
We're a little behind.
Yeah. All right, so be sure to subscribe, like, what else you gotta do? Comment below, because the software is gonna take the comment. So again, this is for the GT530? Something like that. Something like that. Whatever it is.
Diatone 5-inch plug and play.
All the information will be in the link below. All the legal information will be below. So again, you have 2 weeks from today. '89, '89, '89.
What? All right, ready?
Yep. Nothing.
You gotta be kidding me.
Nope.
Ready?
Ready. 95, 95, 95 with the GoPro session.
1 hour faster with the prop. Ready?
Yeah. That way, it doesn't like that way for some reason.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah. 102!